Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donnie, and this video will be covering this derivative shown on screen. Now, this derivative, we're going to apply the chain rule. The reason why we have a function inside another function, and we have to do it 3 times because we have 3 types of function inside of another. In this and that, we're going to let y equal to the whole thing, right? Because that's the main function. Then we let u equals to e to the x squared because this is the next portion of the deal with. And after we let t equals x squared because it's another function on the top over here, right? And these are the 3 functions. Now we gotta take the derivative with respect to that variable. As shown here, we're gonna separate this and we're gonna bring it over here. So we take dy, which is y is e to the power of e x squared, right? But we know that's divided by du, so we gotta take this u and substitute it into this eu term, right? Now we gotta do the exact same thing for du divided by dt, where we take this du divided by dt, and we put this e term, but we put it to t because it's e to the x squared, right? And we're gonna put t inside, so this will be e to the t. Now, we're gonna do the exact same thing over here, but in this scenario, it's already in terms of x, so we gotta take this t and put it over here, and be x squared, and we gotta take the derivative of this. Now we're gonna combine them. As shown over here, we combine the e to the power of u and e to the t and x squared, and now we're going to take the derivative of it. So we got to apply the exponential rule for derivatives, and this is the e to the x. We got to take the derivative of e to the u and e to the t, which would be resulted in the same thing. And we also have the power rule for the x squared. Note that n is equal to 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, and at the bottom over here it can be 2. Once we do this derivative and we apply it over here, where we left off with this, now we're doing some back substitution where we take this u term and represent that as e to the x squared. We're going to put it back over here, and t equals the x squared. And we'll be left with this as the final answer to this question. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day.